Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Violet, and this is Violet Tries Panning, and we're going to be doing the deck of panning finale. So for last month, two of the cards I picked, I was able to sort of take out of my chosen cards, because one was Ace of Spades, meaning get out of jail free card, and then I also picked Three of Red Hearts, which was supposed to be for the prompt concealer. So for the Ace of Spades, get out of jail free card, I ended up using it then because it didn't make sense to hold on to it if our finale was just the following month. So I used it on that. So then that left us with only three products or three cards and prompts to work on. So I'm going to be talking about the very first product, which is one that I pulled in from October. And this one was for the prompt Hit a Pan. It was the card King of Hearts. And for that I had pulled in, or kept in I should say, my e.l.f. Powder Compact. Now I am filming this the day before December 1st. So my progress from the time of filming to the time of upload, it will probably change pretty drastically. As you can see, I am expanding this pan a lot since I last showed y'all November 20th, or at least like at the time of recording that. But we have really shown more progress here on the side. I'm whittling away more of around here. My goal was to finish. Obviously, I don't think I can finish this little bit by the end of the year, but I can't really also tell because of how early I'm filming this. But if I finish this, I will put it in the description box, or I will post it on my Instagram, so you guys can kind of follow up on that. But so then for last month, I had pulled the Six of Spades, which what the prompt was matches eye color. For that, I had chosen a Beauty Creations writing solo single eyeshadow that I picked up a couple months back. And it's this beautiful, like, neutral gold, I guess you could say, sort of shade. This is beautiful. My goal was to use this 5 times, and I did accomplish that. Now, I normally would put in pictures of all the looks I did, but I used this shade in so many different looks. Like, I combined this with the other single shadow that I had in this project, and then some days I would add this alone. I also did this, I think I added this in like some Christmas looks that I've been posting at the time of uploading this past couple of days. And it's a lot of looks to go through, so I'm just gonna make it easy on myself. I'm not even gonna upload the pictures on the screen here. But yeah, I mean, I enjoyed the shade. It is beautiful. I think I used it quite a bit with glitter primer, and I found that it didn't make a difference without or with, but I had fun using this. It's a beautiful shade. And the last card I had pulled was the Seven of Spades. The prompt was called Seasonal. My goal was to use this shade 5 times. It is from Delanci Beauty, and it is the shade called Snickerdoodle. So I love Luxie shades. I enjoy them a lot. This shade was also fun to combine with different looks, different colors, different ways. I had an absolute pleasure, using this shade some more. You're not really like hit any pans or any noticeable difference in this. We've basically just grazed the surface, which, as expected, because 5 times doesn't do much, and I don't gravitate towards this shade a lot. Have not used my indie shadows, like indie singles, I should say, all that much this year, but yeah, so I enjoyed this. This was fun. It's beautiful. It's like a blue purple shift with like a brownish base. It's so pretty and so easy to work with, so easy to use, and I had a lot of fun. So that is everything for this update. I'm pretty sure I'm not continuing this next year, but who knows what the future will say, what the future will bring. So I can never say never, but as of now, I've chosen not to continue with this. With that said, hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day and or week. Hope you guys have an awesome and blessed and amazing and wonderful holiday, Christmas, however you celebrate. And with that, bye-bye guys.